Hi guys! We went to VFS Global in Parcal, Macapagal for Maki's US visa. Go at least 30 minutes before your scheduled time because that's the only time also that they will allow you to line up. Bring your printed forms and supporting documents kasi bawal ang cellphones, bags, even Apple Watch or the likes. While waiting, naglakad ako and saw na may CCF pala rito. Actually, mas matagal pa ang pila kaysa sa processing nila sa mismong VFS office. It took Maki just 15 minutes eh. And we also ate brunch at Mary Grace. Then the next day, interview naman sa US Embassy, Rojas Boulevard. So guys, day 2 of US Unica. Nandun na si Maki sa embassy. Nihintay ko siya dito. Kasi bawal yung phone. So today, second day is interview. Bawal yung phone. So nandito sa akin yung phone na. Kasi nihintay ka lang siya. Nag-park kami dito sa malapit sa embassy. May Starbucks. Waiting for you. Tapos na siyang mag-visa.
Yeah.
Mabilis lang. Anong ginawa mo sa loob?
Tinanong lang ako, anong trabaho ko at ilang years ko nung ginagawa yon. Yun lang, 15 seconds, tapos na. Mas matagal yung paghihintay.
True.